Want to keep listening to your favorite shows while driving your Tesla? As of late 2025, Tesla lets you play video audio even when the car's in motion. Due to safety regulations, video playback is disabled while driving, but the audio continues, letting you enjoy podcasts, movies, or shows audibly without the visual distraction. This is great for long drives and commutes. Tesla's infotainment system separates audio from video, letting it mute the video feed while keeping the audio track running. When you start a video while parked and then begin to drive, the video pauses automatically once you hit a low speed around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Audio continues to play through the car's speakers or connected headphones. This feature is part of Tesla's efforts to balance entertainment with safety. You can easily enable audio playback while driving with a voice command like, "Hey Tesla, keep video audio on." Alternatively, you can find the setting in the touchscreen menu. Go to Vehicle, then Controls, and finally Safety and Security. Here, you might find options to customize when the audio plays, such as allowing it during autopilot mode. Note that some regions may disable or override this feature due to stricter distracted driving laws. Tesla has partnered with streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Spotify, and Hulu to bring entertainment directly in your car. The integration allows easy audio switching from video sources. For instance, enhanced Netflix integration in Q2 2025 allows direct in-car audio streaming without completely switching apps, creating a unified in-car ecosystem. Looking ahead to the future of Tesla's audio features, AI personalization will play an increasingly important role in enhancing the driving experience. Tesla's software uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your driving habits, such as trip duration, time of day, and previous listening preferences. For example, if you're on a long highway drive, the system might automatically recommend relaxing podcasts or audiobooks based on your past choices. Tesla is also integrating advanced AI assistants, similar to Grok, that respond to natural voice commands for seamless audio playback control. You could simply say something like, "Hey Tesla, play calming music for my commute," and the AI would handle the rest. This represents the future of in-car entertainment, where AI makes every drive more personalized and enjoyable. By 2030, experts predict a 40% increase in in-car audio consumption, fueled by faster 5G connectivity that enables uninterrupted streaming of high-quality content. These advancements will make Tesla's audio features even more intuitive and tailored to individual preferences. A Tesla Model Y owner reported using the feature for a 300-mile drive, listening to a Netflix documentary in audio-only mode. A Reddit user study showed an 85% success rate in keeping audio playing during highway drives. However, failures were often due to outdated software or network issues. These scenarios highlight the practical benefits of staying entertained and productive on the road. Safety experts caution that audio from videos can still be distracting. Auditory distractions can impair reaction times. A NHTSA report states that Tesla's audio-only mode reduces visual distractions by 70%. Prioritize road safety over entertainment. Always be aware of your surroundings and regional laws regarding distracted driving. Use responsibly.